God! It's actually working. Welcome to the unboxing. I'm Simon, and as you can see, I've been in this lockdown a bit too long, so I'm going to try to shave myself using an USB-C shaver connected to my MacBook Pro because I don't have any other products that have USB-C. Yeah, so this is a Type-C shaver. Suggest use hair brush to clean the beard. When cleaning, it only need to clean the cutting head and iron mesh part. What? I have no idea what it means, but we'll just open this up and see what happens. So the only thing I'm really worried about is that my USB-C port from my MacBook Pro will stop working if I plug this in. That might happen, I think. Okay, so this actually looks... Ooh, this looks firm. So we have a carrying pouch, sorta. Is it already hair coming from the pouch? No. Wait. Has this been used? What? No. This has been used. No, there are. No, come on. That's not serious. Come on. You cannot be serious on this one. There are small hairs coming from this thing. Like for real. Did that? Oh, no. Let's see if this is actually. Has this actually been used? That would be terrible. I would not really like. Okay. Doesn't. No. Okay. Maybe this pouch has been used or something. There are actually hairs coming from this pouch, like beard hairs. So I'm just going to put this back. I am not really looking forward to have this. So let's just put it back in here. We do not need this. So as you can see, this is magnetic, which is nice. There is a micro USB input over here and there's an USB-C output. So I don't really know why they added a micro USB output, maybe for charging or something. We have a small cleaner. Do we have an explanation on this? Okay, so you need to connect this to your phone or a power bank, for example. The first use of this razor may have a slight discomfort and it might not give you the desired results, which is a normal phenomenon. Because the skin needs to adapt to the new shaving system. Ah, come on. Just going to connect this to my Mac and see what happens. Maybe it... Oh God! It's actually working. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, we will try this out. So we're doing this. I'm using a USB-C port, which I normally don't use on my MacBook Pro. So in case it breaks my MacBook Pro. So I'm just going to try to shave this side. Because as you can see, there are some hairs here. I'm not really a beard man. I don't get any beard hairs whatsoever. So this has been growing for about 3 weeks now. And this is what I have. So I'm going to keep this and this maybe. And then shave this. See what happens. Yeah. And there we go. Oh, wow. Something is happening actually. This actually feels nice. Doesn't feel that bad. But did it actually shave? That's the big question now. And it did? Wow. I think, oh yeah, it did actually shave. Wow. Just look, it shaved over here. It's pretty difficult to get the right spot, but now let's shave the other side. So as you can see, the other side, maybe I have a bit more hair here, as you can see it. So this spot, we're going to shave this. I'm not going to say it's easy using a MacBook Pro to shave your face, but it works. So this is normally used on a smartphone, for example. When you're in the car and you want to have a quick shave. I'm actually going to be impressed by a USB-C shaver. That would be great. That was not something I was expecting today. So let's see. Oh, there's actually beard hair on my Mac now. Yep. Wow. Look at that. It's clean and it's soft. Okay, yeah, it's pretty difficult because I see nothing. I think it's best for people who are like shaving everything, but if you like want to have a way to see what you're shaving, then it's going to be difficult unless you use it in front of a mirror, but then you're probably going to use a real shaver. So yeah, let's see how much hair this has now. It actually has some hair. I'm impressed by myself. You can actually see some hair here. I don't know. So does this work? Definitely. I am extremely impressed with this thing. I did not expect this whatsoever. I was like, this is going to blow up on my face, like literally. And it didn't. It actually shaves. So great. Awesome. But now let's check if my MacBook still works, because that would be a bit of an annoyance. My MacBook Pro would be dead. Yep, still works. All right. Oh, calm down. Calm down. Right, if you enjoyed this and if you learned something, click that subscribe button below. And I hope I'll see you in my next video.